Welcome to J&J's test video of 9450. This is a 2004 5.7 liter LS1 GTO. It's got a fast intake manifold on it. I think some other stuff. We'll take a peek here. Got all sorts of different wheels on it. Oh yeah, this one does have trick flow heads. I knew I got one that had a set of heads on it. It runs okay. Sounds like it almost has like a gear drive, but it might have a baby cam in there, nothing real crazy. All the tires are flat. The transmission does work. It's all excited. We'll take my hood holder out. Maybe we can go drive it. The tires won't hold air. The interior's okay. Somebody got excited with the blue. And the shifter kind of works. I don't know if I'm going to sell it because the knob doesn't go down, but it does go into gear. And then it wants to go. Should run just fine. Transmission shifts, the steering's whacked. But yeah, she's alright. These things will be fun in the wintertime. No steering. Works. Oh man, come on, stop. Oh yeah. Reverse burnouts. Okay. Let me go park it. Show you if these seats work. If you ever need to get in your trunk, that's where the trunk release is on a GTO, hidden under that headrest. Alright, there's that. Windows work. Mirror works. Aftermarket CD, the heater controls work. Alright, that's it. As always, thank you for watching. We'll slow on the windows. And have your pets spayed and neutered. Let's go out here and do it. And there she is. 04 Slow Pour.